This is a common question, and anytime you ask it, you'll get lots and lots of people saying, no. You can't allow emotions into a FWB relationship, people say. In fact, lots of folks say that you can't have a successful FWB relationship at all, because someone will always get feelings. I honestly don't understand where these folks come from. Are they robots, who have no feelings for their friends whatsoever? Look at the term, friends with benefits. The very first word is, friends. It says so right on the tin. You have feelings for your friends, right? Yes, of course having an FWB relationship will cause you to feel all kinds of feels in your feel parts. That's what humans do. We feel things. Sometimes, the thing we feel is love. But all the people who say no, you can't do this, you can't have feelings for an FWB, and you certainly mustn't ever feel love. All those people are missing something really, really important. A feeling is not the same as an action. You can love somebody, and still choose not to be in a romantic relationship with that person. And hang on to your hat, Dorothy, because Kansas is going bye-bye. You can love somebody, and have sex with that person, and still choose not to be in a romantic relationship with that person. Honest. Feelings don't run your life, you do. A feeling is not the same as an action. You can feel something, and still make your own choices anyway. Society tells us we are helpless in our feelings. Everything from cheesy romantic movies to ridiculous men's magazines all tell us that if you feel something, you have to let that feeling rule your life. You're helpless to do anything else. So if you feel love feels in your feel parts, watch out. The only thing you can do is pursue the object of your affections until you're in a relationship or you've been totally spurned. And I really scratch my head when I see folks going through this and say, wow, do people like being that disempowered? Hey, I get it, feelings are powerful. Especially when you're not expecting them. They can feel like standing in front of an oncoming freight train that's being pursued by a tidal wave. But they still don't have any power you don't choose to give them. I was in a FWB relationship for 6 years with someone I loved. We were, and still are, great friends. The fact that I love her didn't magically make us compatible partners, so we chose not to be romantic partners. Now, if you're going into an FWB relationship with a covert agenda that you can win this person over and make them into your romantic partner even if that's not what they want, well, don't. Relationships don't usually work when someone has an agenda. But if you can understand that it's possible to love someone and that person isn't obligated to reciprocate your feelings, and you can still build a solid and satisfying friendship anyway, do that, and you're golden.